To automatically delete live transcription after 3 days on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap live transcribe and then tap open live transcribe. Next, tap the setting icon at the bottom left corner of the screen and then tap the gray on off switch next to transcription history until the switch turns blue to turn it on. With this setting, your phone will automatically delete transcription history of the live transcribe after 3 days. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.